Hello guys. So, struggling with AI infrastructure that can't scale or costs that spiral out of control? You're not alone. This video is a focused review of Nebius AI, a platform that says it's engineered from the ground up for demanding AI workloads. Whether you're training models, running large-scale inference, or experimenting with AI-powered features for your business, these are the kinds of problems that can slow everything down fast. We'll unpack everything from their latest NVIDIA GPUs to their managed services, highlighting the key advantages and being upfront about any limitations we can find. The goal here is to help you understand not just what Nebius offers, but who it's actually for and where it makes the most sense. Nebius positions itself squarely as the ultimate cloud for AI innovators. Its core strength is a flexible architecture designed to scale AI seamlessly, from a single GPU for small experiments to pre-optimized clusters with thousands of NVIDIA GPUs supporting both training and inference. That kind of range is important if you're starting small but planning to grow. The platform is engineered for tested performance, integrating NVIDIA GPU accelerators like the H100, H200, and even the upcoming GB200 NVL72, with pre-configured drivers, high-performance InfiniBand networking, and orchestration through managed Kubernetes or Slurm. In practical terms, that means less time fighting setup issues and more time actually running workloads. For peak efficiency, they provide every essential resource, offering the latest NVIDIA GPUs, the ability to create massive GPU clusters, and fully managed services like MLflow and Postgres to reduce maintenance effort. Instead of building and maintaining everything yourself, you can focus on your models and applications. The cloud-native experience includes Terraform, API, CLI, and a user-friendly console, complemented by ready-to-go solutions like third-party integrations and detailed tutorials. This makes it easier for both developers and teams to automate deployments, manage infrastructure, and get productive quickly. A pricing overview for several key NVIDIA GPU instances on Nebius AI shows the highlighted options. The NVIDIA H200 GPU at $2.30 per hour and the H100 GPU at $2 per hour, with a note that these improved cost savings specifically require a commitment of hundreds of units. So these rates are most attractive for larger teams or long-term projects. The NVIDIA Blackwell platforms, including the GB200 NVL72, are listed as available for pre-order as the most advanced accelerators. This signals that Nebius is aiming to stay on the cutting edge as new hardware becomes available. A detailed table shows the full GPU instance lineup, where prices per GPU hour vary based on the specific hardware configuration. The GB200 NVL72 requires contacting sales, while the HGX B200 is priced at 5.5, the HGX H200 at 350, and the HGX H100 at 295 cents more. This gives you a clearer sense of how performance and cost scale together. Cost-effective entry points are available with the NVIDIA L40S GPU, starting from $1.55 per hour when paired with an Intel CPU, or from $1.82 with an AMD CPU. These options make it easier to test workloads or run lighter models without jumping straight into enterprise-level spend. Before you head out, if this breakdown helped you understand what Nebius AI actually offers, give the video a quick thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you want more clear, no-hype reviews of AI platforms, tools, and infrastructure, make sure you're subscribed. Let me know in the comments what you're building with AI right now, whether it's a Shopify app, an automation, or just an experiment. I read every comment, and it helps guide future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.